Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use if functions with or function in an Excel workbook. So in this particular sheet I have created a table over here in which I have written some names over here and marks in each subjects, and I have written the criteria over here: fail below 60 marks. And in this, if the marks is below 60 in one subject, then the student will be fail. So what I'll do is I'll just type equal to if, press tab, and I'll write or, press tab, then I'll write the logical, let's say C5 greater than 60, comma, this greater than 60, then close the bracket, then comma. If the criteria is true, then I'll type in double quote PASS, pass, then comma. If false, then in double quote FAIL. Okay, just press enter. Yes. So as you can see here that the marks here is below 60, 50 marks. So and in this there is above 60, 64 marks. So one of the condition match, so it is showing me pass. If I drag till bottom, then you can see in each student is passed over here. And if I write, like, let's say here 45, press enter, so this is showing me fail. So this is how we can use or function within if. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.